Like nature the way it was meant to be. Finally, there's bottled water the way it was meant to be. Nature's Squirt Unfiltered pond water. Tough. Like nature, the way it was meant to be.
Nature's Squirt Incorporated is not liable for medical complications that may arise after ingesting Nature's Squirt Unfiltered pond water, including but not limited to gastrointestinal distress, Bang's disease, Ekbom syndrome, Ludwig's angina, rectal worms, Churg-Strauss syndrome, mild diarrhea-like episodes, severe diarrhea-like episodes, Peyronie's disease, Whipple's disease, Paget's disease of the penis, Plummer's disease, Stockholm syndrome, and rickets. Please drink responsibly.